Alright, I think it's time I solve this. Hang on. I don't know how to. Well, I need a tutorial.
So if you've never solved a cube before, it may seem impossibly hard.
Yes,
Today
it
I'll be
is.
teaching you a method that I used to teach many people who did not believe they'd ever be able to solve the cube. And if anything along the way becomes unclear and you need more examples, then you can check the example solve, which I have a link to in the description.
Alright.
That being said, it's time for you to solve your first cube.
Okay. Alright, step 1, the white
So the
cross.
first thing you do is find the white centerpiece and hold that on top.
Alright, another thing I could do is just do this. Do a daisy pattern. Just like that. And then I could just turn them to the right side to make a cross. Just like that.
Alright, once you've solved the whole cross, make sure all these side colors match up with the centers as well.
Alright.
Just turn the cube upside down. So now I'm going to turn the right side up, turn the top with your right hand, like that, turn the right side down, and then turn the top with your left hand like this.
Okay. Yeah, I don't get it. Do I just like...
That. So right side up, push with the right hand, right side down, push with left hand.
Alright. I guess I just keep going until this side's solved. Maybe do that again. Ah, there it is. So I just keep going with this? Alright, sounds easy. Alright, I got it. Now what's next?
So every corner is in the right spot now, and so once you get to this step, you should turn everything upside down.
Alright.
So get all these corners in the bottom layer, and now we're just going to solve them one by one. But make sure you pay attention to how this works, because if you make a mistake, you could mess up the whole cube. Okay, so we're going to start by solving this bottom right corner. So we're going to do those 4 moves with our right hand until this one is solved.
Alright.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there it is, it's solved.
Alright.
So once you've done that, then start doing the next corner, but make sure you bring the next corner over by turning the bottom layer.
Oh, alright.
Let me...
Alright, guess I just keep doing this. Alright. Alright. Okay. Did I do something incorrectly? Hang on.
And then, there you go. So if you're new to this channel, what I do here is make tutorials.
So, his is solved.
As well as different
Mine's not. Is there another tutorial anywhere? Alright, the easiest tutorial. Let's try it.
But what if I told you anyone can solve the Rubik's Cube with one single algorithm?
Alright. What is it? I already got most of this stuff. I just need to swap some pieces.
Starters, let's see what a 3x3 cube consists of. It has 3 main parts: center, edge, and corner. To understand how these algorithms work, you have to learn the Rubik's...
Okay, can we get to the tutorial?
No apostrophe means it goes 90 degrees clockwise.
But I need to know what to do on this last step.
Rotate the front layer so that all colors of the cube match. You're done.
You could have just done this instead of having to do this. But that still does not explain my unsolved cube. I love tutorials, so looks like I'm gonna have to call someone. Hello? Hey Robertson, I need some help with my Rubik's Cube. I'm on my way. So, you need some help with this last step? Yes. Well, this is actually just really easy. Alright, first I'll just do this. Alright, just like that. Alright, now, this is a really easy thing to do. Well, if you have a soft side, make sure it's facing away from you, and you're just going to do R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R. And you might have to do it 1 or 2 times, so I just gotta do it again. Remember, it's R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R. So try it. Alright, so facing away from me and this, that. Now you said I have to do it 1 or 2 times, right? Yep. Alright. Oh my goodness. No way I actually did that. Well, guess what? You actually did do that. I've successfully taught you the cube. See you next time. Whee! Well, looks like nothing can ever happen to that now. Of course, the second I look away, that happens. Just, how did that happen anyway? Who cares? Alright, let me see if I could try to remember what what the video told me. And what Robertson said. So well, looks like I can't remember. I know how to solve it. Alright, show me. Alright, step 1. Step 2, do this. Take a look at that. Just gotta get rid of all this stuff. Alright. And there you go, you got a Rubik's Cube, and it's solved. And there you go, that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Wait, how did you do that? Shh. Don't worry about that. In fact, don't worry about anything at all. Don't even worry about me, because you never saw me, and I never saw you. In fact, we have never met. Goodbye. Okay. Alright, now let's actually solve this thing instead of throwing it in the trash and taking it out from the ground. Alright, scrambled enough. Okay, now we're gonna go to YouTube and do this without watching an ad. Alright?
May seem impossibly hard, but today I'll
Okay.
be teaching you a method that I used to teach many people who did not believe they'd ever be able to solve.
Alright, what do we do here? Alright, I got the cross. Now I just gotta do the corners.
And then you can just do it as usual after that.
That rocking chair would look great in our new house.
A new house.
Repeat.
And this is where we get
Solved.
stuck.
Go to the next one. And then there you go.
I just don't understand how his
So
is
if you're new to
solved,
this channel,
but
what I do here is
mine
make tutorials on
isn't.
how to do-
This is where we start to have problems, but I'm gonna remember what Robertson taught me. Alright, so I guess I'll just move it like this. Alright, and I guess I just do right twice, then an upturn, then another right, then another up, and then I do right backwards, up backwards, that, and just keep doing that, and now orange is solved. Now I just do this, and that, and that. Still not solved yet, so just do it again. And there we are! It's solved! I actually solved it! Yay! Here, solve this. Well, this seems fairly easy. Alright. I guess I'll just solve. Alright. I mean, it's only a 2x2. How hard could it be? I think it's gonna be a little hard since I'm only solving with, one hand. Alright. Okay. Let's see, I just go. Alright. I saw this on a YouTube tutorial. Oh no, I messed up. Okay. Alright, I'll do that again. Alright. Okay, now I got a layer. Now I turn to the yellow side and I just go. And it's like that. Hang on. Do I just go like, I go that. Well, hold on, the yellow side has to be facing up. So I'll just turn it like, and it's like, hang on. Now I finally got yellow solved, and now I could just go. It's like, hang on. I'll go, hang on. Right? Front, inverted, back, twice. Hey! I solved it! I wonder if there's anything harder than these two.